I'm going to pull this and use these. This is rat-tailed radish. They're tasty. So I'm going to share some with the animals and eat some for myself. I'm going to take them to work with me tomorrow just as a fresh snack. And then this is going in the crock pot with dinner tonight. I got a pork roast on the barbecue, and then I'm going to transfer it to the crock pot here soon. And I got Onyx out here watching everything. He's still just a kitten, and he's not allowed to come outside, really, except for in this little kitten stroller. And yes, I do walk him around the backyard, and he does start fussing if he's in there too long. So I just chopped everything up. I'm gonna divvy it up. I'm gonna chop that radish up and put it in the crock pot right now. I got the corn soaking in water so it can be put on the grill. This I just made up, but this is what we're doing, okay? Okay. The corn is almost done. So we have right silk tassel evergreen shrub. It's often associated with manzanita, mountain mahogany, and buckthorns in chaparral and pinyon juniper woodlands. Its leaves look similar to manzanitas, but they are paired rather than single or alternate along the stems. Each plant bears either female or male flowers, with fruit developing only on female shrubs. Pollen from nearby male plants is dispersed by the wind. Berry-like fruits are eaten by birds and mammals. We are mammals. The fruits yield bluish dyes, interesting, which become greenish when treated with ammonia. So if you pee on the fruit, it will go from blue to green. Then we have emery shrub live oak evergreen shrub. It's a hybrid evergreen shrub. Their oaks are often difficult to identify because they are hybridized so freely. Characteristics such as leaf size, shape, and margin can vary remarkably between one oak to another, and even between leaves on the same branch. For example, this particular plant has been considered an Arizona oak, a shrub live oak, or a hybrid between emery and shrub live oaks by 3 different botanists of the area. For comparison, a tall emery oak is growing among the lower rocks behind this shrub. Since live oak and emery oak are discussed later, the following comments refer to Arizona oak. The Arizona oak shares with the emery oak the live oak zone of the southeastern Arizona and northwestern Mexico, reaching its northern limits in northwestern Arizona. It extends into the ponderosa pine forest, which there's a huge ponderosa pine forest in Prescott, and also Flagstaff. This is Arizona's largest oak, reaching 60 feet in moist, well-shaded canyons. The leaves fall in spring as the new leaves appear. The acorns are bitter, and it is thought that few animals eat them except a rare bird of northwestern Mexico, the thick-billed parrot. The gnarled, blackish stem galls produce tan dyes. And yeah, I'm going to get some pictures of that because I know exactly what they're talking about. It's very interesting. Okay, and the last one I'm going to read is oak mistletoe, a parasitic epiphyte. Because it forms conspicuous dense masses in trees, mistletoe attracts the attention of persons unfamiliar with the chaparral and desert regions. This parasitic plant draws nutrients from the host tree, and where abundant may cause considerable damage, killing branches and sometimes the entire tree. Papago Indians dry the berries in the sun and store them for winter food, though they are poisonous when fresh. Okay, they are poisonous when fresh. The clumps are important to birds, particularly the Phainopelpa, Phainopelpa, Phainopepla. I'm going to look it up. I don't know what the heck that is. Never heard of it. For which they provide a significant food for adults and young. Many species hide their nests in clumps of mistletoe. Now I gotta turn the corn or take it off. I just want to say this in case it isn't obvious. If at the end of the video you see the pictures of the plants so that you can see what they look like in nature, if there's writing on there and you want to read what it says, pause it so you can read it. Otherwise it's gonna change, and that's like that's as far as my video making abilities go. So I just want to say that.